Everyone says AI exposes bad work. That is a comfortable lie. The truth is worse. AI exposes average work. The kind of work that looks clean, sounds professional, fills the calendar, fills the inbox, fills the slide deck, but creates very little real value. Think about a normal office day. Someone writes a long email. Someone prepares a report. Someone updates a spreadsheet. Someone makes a clean presentation. Someone designs a mascot and calls it a creative idea. Someone joins 3 meetings, takes notes, summarizes the discussion, and sends a follow-up message. From the outside, it looks like work happened. There is movement. There are files. There are messages. There are deliverables. There is even something that looks like creativity. And for a long time, that was enough, because producing these things took effort. A polished report took time. A decent email took time. A clean deck took time. A design based on someone's personal taste took time. A proposal took time. So the workplace made a dangerous mistake. It confused effort with value. It confused activity with judgment. It confused looking professional with being useful. It confused copying with creating. Then AI arrived, and suddenly, the surface of work became cheap. A clean email is cheap. A summary is cheap. A first draft is cheap. A slide outline is cheap. A generic proposal is cheap. A design copied from another brand is cheap. A professional-sounding paragraph is cheap. A mascot that only looks good on a computer screen is cheap. This does not mean all work is worthless. It means the old protection is gone. Before AI, average work could hide behind friction. It was hard enough to produce that nobody questioned it too deeply. Now the output appears in seconds. So the question changes. Not, can you make a report? But, did you understand what the report means? Not, can you write the email? But, did you know what should not be said? Not, can you make the slide? But, did you know what decision the slide is supposed to create? And not, how many AI tools can you use? But, do you know how to use a prompt to reach a better decision? AI exposes average work because it separates output from judgment. And once output becomes easy, judgment becomes visible. Taste becomes visible. Clarity becomes visible. Weak thinking becomes visible. A clean file no longer protects a weak idea. A beautiful design no longer protects borrowed thinking. A long meeting no longer protects the absence of a decision. This is why the fear feels personal. People are not only afraid that AI can do their tasks, they are afraid that AI will reveal how little value was inside some of those tasks. The old workplace protected average work. It rewarded busyness. It respected long documents. It trusted polished language. It gave status to people who could produce the appearance of competence. AI breaks that illusion. It doesn't ask how long you worked. It doesn't care how many slides you made. It does not respect your busy calendar. It puts your output next to everyone else's output and asks a colder question. What is actually yours? The insight, the decision, the taste, the judgment, the risk, the responsibility? Because in the age of AI, average work does not disappear first. It gets exposed first. And once it is exposed, it becomes very hard to hide again.